YouTube? This is HB Man, and I'm doing a random video. Woohoo! Yeah, I am doing stuff on comments. I'm gonna have a look at some comments and see what they are and read them like a boss. Right, I'm back. I've got my phone and stuff. Okay, so Perfect Cell suggested that I do the sneezing challenge. Okay! Don't know what that is. Freddie Brooks suggested that I do the salt and ice challenge. I'm not sure that's quite the best enough idea for me. Hey. Stupid things. So let's have a look for some more stuff and and comments. I'm gonna have a look for a few more. Right, found some more comments from Freddie Brooks again, who I did a video with. Hi Ethan. Amazing. It's just great. Hi Ethan, it's Fred. See, look. Stupid. Okay, let's find some more comments. Right, found some more, like boss. Well, one more. Anyway, from Little Rock, who used to be my YouTube buddy, says, hey, look who it is. And he's my friend Mitchell, so I guess he meant that. Woohoo! Yeah. I'm going to leave this video here. Well, I'm going to leave the video here because it's like a reading comments video. So, if you liked it, leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Bye! Subscribe! Bye!